What's up, everyone? Today we're doing a simple but super powerful personal finance class. I'm going to show you 9 everyday money rules that can completely change the way you think about investing, saving, spending, and building wealth. And the best part? You don't need to be a math genius. After this video, your friends are going to be like, "How do you calculate investments so fast?" Because these rules make financial math insanely easy. Rule number 1, the rule of 72. One question almost everybody asks is, how long will it take for my money to double? Maybe you invested in a savings account, an index fund, or a retirement account. But the rule of 72 makes it easy. If your investment earns 8% annually, your money roughly doubles every 9 years. Every 9 years.
Simple, but insanely useful.
Rule number 2, the 100 minus age rule. If you're 30 years old, around 70% could be invested in stocks. When you're younger, you can usually take more risk because you have more time to recover. Rule number 3, the 50-30-20 budget rule. This rule instantly gives your money structure. Life happens. People lose jobs. Cars break down. Unexpected bills appear. That's why everybody needs an emergency fund. Use a high-yield savings account, so your money still earns interest. Rule number 5, insurance rule, the 20x insurance rule. A simple rule is 20 times your annual income. One of the biggest financial mistakes people make is taking on too much debt. One of the least in the twos to the shun too much debt. Your total debt payments should generally stay below 40% of your income. Rule number 7, the 25x retirement rule. This rule helps answer one massive question: how much money do I actually need to retire? Most people spend first and invest whatever is left. Instead, invest first, then spend the rest. Rule number 9, the 3x3x3 wealth plan. Different people build wealth differently. There's no one perfect path. These rules help you avoid mistakes, think clearly about money, and make smarter decisions faster. So comment below, what's the best financial lesson you've ever learned? Hope you enjoyed this one. See you in the next video. Take care.